data handling in order to represent the several pie chart, lambda chart, and different bar chart and square chart as well. So many graphical representation of this matplotlib is there. So what we will do, we will just import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then we will import matplot library dot mlb as mlab. Okay, so these two parameters or these two methods are going to import in our IDL, and they are going to have these certain parameters as well. So one more library we are going to import, that is numpy, and it is having abbreviation like np, and run this command. Initially it will take time, but the moment you will run all these command and libraries, it will go to the different section. So what is the name of this library? It is mlab, not mlb. Okay, so successfully run the command, and now we will what we will do, we will plot the certain parameters. What is the parameters? Surrounded by means parenthesis, then square brackets, then few numbers. For example, I am giving example, and then we can have the plt dot x label, which is the label of the graph across the x label. It is the suppose gain. Then we can have the plt dot y label, and it is the across the y label, y axis. It is having the suppose profit. Okay, then plt dot show function will pop up the graph on the screen, and in between the plt, what is the error here? We must remove this error. In x label, module pet has no attribute x label, h plt x label and plt y label we are going to plot here. So it's successfully going to ignore this error, because it is going to show this error, and we are going to plot the error means the graph in between these two certain parameters. What we will do next, t is equal to np dot arrange, then we will give the initial value 0.0, then 2.0, then 0.01. Actually it's generating a space number between the 0.0 and 0.01. Then what we will do, we will assign the s is equal to 1 plus np dot sine function. In order to plot the sine function, that 2 asterisk np, whatever the value of np 1 by 1 pi asterisk t. Then we will plot the function plt dot plot in between t, and we are going to define the graph in between t and s. Then what we will do, we will assign the same x label and y label here. I am just copy the code and just paste here. Okay, and x label and y label, and just then we can add then this plt dot grid as well. Okay, then after grid we are going to assign this true value. Okay, and this grid value, we are one more thing we are going to do here. We are going to save the file in figure and just give the name of this figure. It is the test.png extension of the file, and then next run this command. Okay, so it is going to give the invalid error. I have given 2r here, it's a single r here, and then again 0.0, and I have given dot here, not dot here, it is 0.0. okay, then it is going to x label, plt dot x label again, and it is going to plot a graph on the screen according to sine. Okay, you can change according to cos also. What we will do, we will just refresh the home page and we will check that test.png is going to exist here or not. Okay, what was the name of the file? It was the test, the name of the file was test.png. okay, so let us search control of test. okay, test, no file here. So we are going to refresh again and let's see whether test file has been generated or not. It's not generated, it will take time. Okay, so let's move to the another section that we are going to define, like what is the y coordinate here. Y is equal to this 3 comma 10 comma 23 comma 1 comma 45 25 comma 8.1 and so on. What is the x here? We are assuming x like range length of y. okay, with respect to it is dependent upon y value, and whatever the value of y, whatever the length of y is here, it is going to dependent on the x again. Then we are going to define the width of the parameter. It is equal to 1 divided by 1.5. it is the width of the bar every time. So it is the going to plot dot bar, because we are going to bar graph, then x comma y comma width, with respect to width, then color. You can change the color in the letter part also. Here I am taking blue in order to represent our graph. Then plt dot show, then some another value like dog and so on. How many parameters are there? Are 4 labels. Okay, then I am going to define sizes there. What is the sizes of these labels? It is respectively 15 comma 30 comma 45 comma 10. Make sure you have sum up all to the 100, like it is 5 5 10 4 5 6 7 and then 30, it is total 100. okay, then we are going to explode is equal to 0 comma 0.1 comma 0 comma 0. okay, only explode the second slide. It's going to explode the second slide. Then what is going to define here? Figure 1 comma x1 axis is equal to plot dot subplots. It is going to subplot two parameters. Then ax1 dot pie, then sizes comma explode is equal to explode comma labels is equal to labels comma auto pct is equal to percentage 1.1 f, then percentage and then percentage again. So it is going to define these several parameters, and then we are going to define comma, then shadow is equal to true, then STRA start angle. What is the start angle of the pie chart that we must define here? Then what is the x1 here? X1 is equal to x1 dot axis is axis name equal. Okay, so equal, then plt dot